Discount.
Oh, wow.
Does anybody know what discount is?
No. Lower price?
90%.
Lower price. Anybody else? Yes? 50% or any number off. Yes? Cheap.
Buy one,
Yes.
buy one, get one 50% off.
Buy one, get one 50% off. Yes?
Buy one, get one free.
Yes, a BOGO offer.
Buy 2, get 1 free.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Buy 10.
Yes?
Get
Buy 3, get 3 free.
Yeah? Yes?
Like something that changes the number.
Something that changes the number. So, you're all correct. Tis the season to have a lot of discounts at the store, right? Usually starts around Thanksgiving for Black Friday. And now we see it today for like the holiday season. Everything is being discounted. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to do discount. Does anybody know how to do discount?
buy one, get
Yeah.
5,000 free.
Very good. Discount. 12, 10, 24. All right, so we're off our iPads, Ben and Darwin. And Logan is on it. Very good. Okay. So, in order to find discount, it is 2 steps for finding discount.
Gotcha, I got 5 out of 5 like that. Oh, wow.
Okay. First step in finding discount. You're going to take your price of whatever you want to buy, and you're going to multiply it by your percent written as a decimal. So take your price, multiply it by your percent written as a decimal. This will tell you how much you save. Am I going to save $5? Am I going to save $20? Am I going to save
2 cents.
2 cents? Exactly.
Are you preparing this for Savers?
Yes.
Yes.
So, step number 2. So the first step is to multiply, and your percent has to be written as a decimal. That's why yesterday we practiced how to write percent as a decimal, because you need it for today. Then you're going to take your price, and you're going to subtract how much you save, and that will give you your new price, your lower price. Okay, so if it says like 25% off, okay, it's 25%, but what is, I better not see that timestamped right now, because then I know you were doing something you weren't supposed to while I was teaching. Huh? So it depends. So sometimes, like Juan said, we can save 2 cents. Sometimes we can save $50, $20, $5, whatever. The point is to save.
Oh, another thing.
Question. If it's buy one, get one free, what percent is that? How much are you saving?
100. What?
It's 50% off.
You basically buy one. That's you buy 2 for the price
So
of
2
one.
for the price of like a whole one. 2 for the price of one.
So if you split up the discount, it's 50% off
So
of
if you bought a
each.
giant pie,
Yes.
and you just buy 2
Have
pies.
you seen like workers in a shop that like let's say this costs $1, right? And then they switch the little tag and put $1 into
Reduce.
they switch it to another price tag but still the same number. They're just pretending they lowered it down.
Correct, yes. I've seen that where it's like it's a regular $19.99 on Saturday, and then Sunday new ad comes out and they say like sale $19.99. So they make it like a nice pretty like, oh my gosh, it's on sale, it's $19.99. But if you lift the thing, it's still $19.99. So they might just do that. Or they might say,
Raise the prices and then give you
Yes.
a discount.
so this costs $1 today, but tomorrow it's going to cost $2, but you're going to save 25, 50%. So you're like, oh my gosh, I'm saving money. But yesterday it cost $1, now it costs $2. So am I saving money? So very good, guys. You guys are aware. I love it. I love it. All right, let's do a problem.
They did that to me at the 7-Eleven.
Miss Lamelli
Oh my gosh.
wants to buy new shoes.
Oh, of course.
But you already have a ton of shoes.
Do I? Do I really? I realized today I need new black shoes. It's okay. Me too. I only had one growing up.
You should buy the Travis Scott.
They cost
You should buy the whole class shoes.
My uncle has the one signed by Travis Scott.
He'll be our favorite teacher.
Yeah.
What are Victory Souls things?
Does he even use them?
No, he
They're
hasn't.
expensive. You should buy gold shoes.
They're for like basketball players.
Gold shoes?
How about our Jordans that are full of gold? Like
They are on
Did you
sale.
just say
for
Jordan's
20%.
that are bulletproof?
bro.
That's what I
That's like
heard.
full of gold.
Why would you want to buy $120 shoes? Just like buy them off TV.
Bro,
Buy them on
they're gonna
Shein.
give you rubber.
Fiends? Fiends. Fiends. They'll give you a little cushion.
They're gonna give you the stretchiest Travis Scott ever.
doing? Oh.
All right. So did we write all this down?
I
Okay.
don't like writing and math.
Like, this is not English.
So you can tell Miss Owner we did a lot of writing and math today. Okay.
I'm gonna be here.
Oh yeah.
Good.
She
Okay.
is here. She's just
Yeah.
not in class.
Wait, so
Again?
we are sub.
Mr. Chavez.
We have a sub for the whole class.
No, four.
Again?
Okay. Let's Darwin finish writing this down without talking, gentlemen and ladies. Okay. Miss O'Malley wants to buy a new pair of shoes. They cost $120. They are on sale for 20% off. Yay, 20% off. We're saving so much money. How much do I save? And what is the new price? So sometimes the question is just how much you save. And then sometimes the question is, well, what's my new price? So
$80.
how much do I save?
$40.
All right. So what's our first step?
I don't know.
First step is to take your price and multiply it by your percent. This will tell you how much you save. So my price is 120. We're going to multiply it by 20%. What is 20% written as a decimal?
0.2.
Okay, so 0.2. Do I need that extra zeros on the front or the back? Nope. So let's multiply it. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Now what do I do with the decimal? No.
Move it.
Move it how many times?
2 times
Why 2?
'Cause it's
100. Because it's 2 zeros. 400.
Because yeah.
It's not 2. You're incorrect if you told me 2.
It's one. One because it's only one decimal.
How many numbers after the decimal?
One.
1. So how many times do I move it? 1.
Oh,
That's why you don't want to add unnecessary zeros. Because the more zeros you add, the more money, the more work you have. So there's one number after. So we move it 1, Gregory. So I actually save just $24.
I'm not even talking. That's not $100.
You're the one who said $40 and $80.
It looks like a minion.
All right. So my question was, how much do you save? $24. Now my second step, what do I do in my second step?
You minus the price by the discount.
So my original price of 120, and I'm going to subtract the amount I'm saving, which is 24. Borrow.
So the price is $96.
So my new price is $96.
wow.
So when I save 20%, I'm saving $24, and that makes the price down to $96. That's my new price.
Saves you like a lot of money.
It's saving me 24.
What if you buy shoes and you put over $100 or whatever on shoes, and then they give you like a coupon, so like next time you go like 50% off?
Yep, that happens too, right? That's another way.
My mom got it for when she went to go buy shoes, and then what's your most expensive shoe, Miss O'Malley?
Buy my Kobe's.
Kobe?
What is that?
Have you ever worn to school?
What's that?
You
Yeah.
know who Kobe is and the shoes? Kobe.
I wore them to the trunk or treat.
You don't know? Never mind.
All right. So let's say my so my Apple Watch, Mason. We're gonna copy this down, Darwin. Cost. Let's say it's $350. Okay, we can hold the commentary. Hold the commentary. Okay, but because Apple's so generous to teachers, we're going to. It's on sale for 15% off.
My dad bought 2 watches from TV once. He thought they were so
Yeah, when I was
Okay. So what's our first step? Multiply.
price with the percent.
The price and the percent.
Why is it not 350?
question.
Yeah, they're that expensive.
Is it 450?
There's the little screen.
Apple Watch
I
is
saw-
only-
My mom's phone is that
I
much.
saw this watch and it costed like the same amount as a home. So
What?
like, I don't know, like 250.
Just get up to
All right. So
Watch it cost.
350 multiplied by what's 15% written as a decimal? 0.15. Now this one's longer multiplication.
Oh, I kind of did yeah.
Okay, so 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Now, I'm going to multiply by 1. What do I have to do now?
Add a 0 on the bottom.
Add a 0 placeholder. Then I get to multiply by 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. What do I do with all these numbers? Add them up.
You get
How many times do I move my decimal? So I'm going to save $52.50. Now, before we move on, when you're doing this math and you're moving your decimal, check your answer. Does it make sense for me to save $52 on something that costs $3.50? Yes. Sometimes students will not do the decimal correctly, and they're like, Miss O'Malley, yeah, I'm saving $5,250.
Yay.
And I'm like, well, how much does the item cost? Well, it costs $3.50. So would you ever save more than what it costs?
No.
No. Target's not going to give you money and the product at the same time, right? So in order to check your answers, make sure that this is always smaller than this. Uh-huh. And then the new price.
What if there's just a worker that isn't thinking like
I know, right? Like, what if? Like, there's always a what if.
Well,
Exactly.
the good news for the employers and companies is that the cash register machines do all the work, right?
There's this annoying thing where, like, if you go buy shoes or something and they say you can use this coupon for one thing free, but you have to wait 5 months to come back.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
What if you forget?
That's what they're
They
hoping
did
for.
that at Spirit Halloween. They did that at Spirit Halloween. They said next Halloween you can come back with this coupon. I was like, what?
Oh no, I saved that and I used it.
There you go, Michelle. So our new price is $297.50. Make sure I did it right.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Sometimes
Good.
they give coupons
I got
by your
80,000.
That's the only reason I go
like,
for it.
how much do your cost?
All right. Let's say these screens are too small. So I need to buy an 85-inch TV.
85-inch?
Yeah, it's kind of small.
We do this on a worksheet. How much? So hard. How big
Small?
are these TVs?
85-inch TV
I
is small.
have a big TV at home and it literally does not fit in the living room.
Okay.
Why did you get it?
Our 85-inch TV costs $2,600. But because of the holiday season, it is on sale for 35% off.
Why do we have to rent
Are you guys
it?
reading this?
I shrunk it down, Michelle. If you realize the first problem was a lot longer.
Oh yeah.
So we're not going to complain, Darwin. We're going to write Gregory. And we're not going to... All right. What do I do? What do I multiply?
The 2,600 was the 35.
Times 35.
How do I write 35 as a
0.35.
decimal? 0.35. Multiply, multiply, multiply. Shh. Did I save $91,000?
$910 and 0 cents.
Yeah. Move it twice. So I save almost $1,000, right? You're thinking, well, I saved a lot of money.
But actually,
I mean, could they raise the price so that you think you're saving a lot of money?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Why do you need that?
So our new price is $16.90.
Put him in jail. Put him in jail.
That's called animals.
All right.
It's not child abuse, it's animal abuse.
Are we okay with this?
No.
I ordered a Juice WRLD flag on TikTok.
A Juice
They gave me
WRLD
a flag that
This
said
is easy. It's
no,
just- I don't
and they
know
gave
if
me a
it's
flag that said water
Huh?
planet.
Okay, let me listen to Ben.
Any design.
Okay, Bruce. Yes, Ben?
This is easy, but I don't understand how we're gonna be able to do it on a worksheet.
What's the first step?
Multiply.
What's the second step?
My notebook's so neat.
But doesn't it need a lot of space?
No.
Well, some of you might.
Well, you don't have to do all that.
It depends on your just.
I even tell in your head and put the
I
answer
like this.
But Bruce, what do I bring?
Miss Amelie, can I get the I'll write the problem and I'll put the answer down. Yeah.
I swear if I hear you say I'm done in like the next 5
I'll write the problem.
But I really like I hear you Tracy and give us and I can
Funny. All right. So, okay, Salvador, here is the worksheet we're working on. Darwin, let's put that away, please. All right. In a department store, a $40 dress is marked, say, 25%. What is the discount, meaning how much do you save? What is the sell price of the new dress, meaning what's the new price? So, first step, what's your first math problem?
40 times 45.
Now, if you're Ben and need more room, you can always move it over to the side. Show your work there. How many times do I move my decimal?
2.
2, so how much do I save?
$10.
So I'm saving $10. So when you multiply and you get 10, good job, you know how to multiply. If you're multiplying not getting 10, let me help you figure out how to multiply.
Look, I thought it was gonna be smaller. I'm sure he'll be fine with it later.
Good. Number 2, what's our second step? So we're taking the price of $40 and we're subtracting what I say, which is 10, Gregory.
Sorry.
And what's 40 minus 10? 30. This would be my new price. So, yep. So the first thing is you multiply, and the second thing is you subtract. You have to make sure you get the first answer right to move it to the second part. It'd be terrible if we get that